What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing some more carbon fiber on the interior of the Mustang. This time it's gonna be some interior vent overlays. A few videos back we did kind of the bezel, the front bezel around the radio. We did that in an overlay carbon fiber. And that one turned out all right, but I think it needs a little bit more. So I went ahead and ordered a couple more pieces to cover the vents from a company called Carbon Fiber Add-ons. They seem to be pretty good, but let's take a look at them and we're gonna go into the car right now and install those, see how it looks. All right, so here they are. I've laid them out on the back of the spoiler, take them out of the package here already. It was just some basic packaging, so nothing too crazy there. But I knew this spoiler would come in handy for something here. I don't only just have to eat my lunch on this, I can show you guys some parts as well. Here we go. So these are just the little vent overlays here, and they actually look really pretty nice. You can see the carbon fiber well. I'm not sure how well you'll see it on the actual video, but in person, these are pretty good, guys. You can see the actual carbon fiber weave in there, and it is real carbon fiber, super thin stuff with a resin overlay, similar to what we already have installed on the framework of kind of the bezel there, which I'll jump to in just a sec. But I just wanted to show you guys this laid out real quick, and the quality of them are pretty nice actually. So that being said, we got to see how well they fit. So let's jump into the car real quick, and we'll try to install these and see how they fit. I hope that we don't have the same kind of fitment issues that we had with the bezel, because sometimes you just never know. So we'll test that out in just a second. But first, I think you guys need a little cold start of the Mustang. It's been a little while since we've done that. So let's back it out of here. Let's get some more sunlight on the interior because it's pretty dark in the garage right now. It gives me a good excuse to get a cold start for you guys. So let's do that. We are back in the Mustang now, and you can see, if you didn't watch the previous video here, one of my previous videos, I'll put a link of it right up here for you. But this is where we installed the carbon fiber overlay from a different company for the radio bezel here. And it's all right. There's definitely some fitment issues. I mean, if you're not really looking for it, you can't see it, but I know they're there. So it's something that kind of bothers me, but let's hope that the vents are a different story. Part of the reason why I'm deciding to do this is because when I bought this car, I bought it used, and whoever had the car last, I don't know if it was like a female that had long nails or something, but you can see there's some sort of it's like they're scratched here, and I could replace these pretty easily. This one's actually broken, you see that? Quality. On another note here, that's all right. Instead of replacing these right now, I'm gonna add the little overlay, and I think it'll go really nice with the carbon fiber we have here and here. So all I'm gonna do is take a little microfiber cloth here. I'm gonna wipe them down, but other than that, guys, I'm not gonna take isopropyl alcohol to this or anything like that. I mean, I suppose you could, but I really don't know, unless I dilute that isopropyl alcohol, if it would discolor the plastic underneath. Because at some point, I'll sell the car and I'll probably take off the carbon fiber and stuff, just because it's not everybody's cup of tea, right? I think we're just gonna clean it up the best we can with the microfiber and then install. So I got the parts here. Let's get straight into it. I've stalled long enough, so let's go. All right, just as easy as that, they are on, and I think they're looking really good, actually. I think the fit and finish on these, decent amount better. I want to say a lot better, but there's still a little bit I had to mess with. And I think that's just the nature of the beast with a product like this. With these overlays, there is little room for error here because their laser cut might be, spot on, but me personally, I might have it, stuck down in a corner that's, maybe I did it differently than what they should have, you know, they did. I don't know. So, but overall install went, you know, really easy, super basic. Just stick them on and you're good to go. It's just taking the time to line them up, make sure they look good. When they're closed, when they're open, they don't stick to each other and they still open freely. You know, that's important because they're vents at the end of the day. You want them to work. I'm liking it, guys. The carbon fiber is coming through here. Sorry, it's a little dusty here. Haven't had a chance to really detail the interior, so I gotta do that soon. I really gotta make time to do that. But so far, this product, I think it's pretty good. I'll put the link in the video description for you guys in case you wanna do it to your Mustangs. Honestly, shipping time wasn't that bad either. I got it in about a week. So yeah, pretty good. So carbon fiber add-ons, I give it a pass. I think they look great, and I'm interested to get a little bit more here. I think they make a carbon fiber piece to cover this guy as well, and some of the vents over here. They make carbon fiber to do a lot of it. So we'll see how far I take this whole carbon fiber thing. Honestly, when I bought the Mustang, I really wasn't into this carbon fiber look, but honestly now, guys, it's growing on me. So we might, I don't know, I feel like I'm getting addicted. We might do a lot of carbon fiber, I'm not sure. But anyways, that is the carbon fiber add-ons, carbon fiber vent kit. And yeah, I give it a pass, guys. So again, link is in the video description. Check it out if you're interested. This is not a sponsored video, so just thought I'd add the link in case you guys want to buy it yourself. Now, before I go for the day, I want to give you a sneak peek on what's to come in the next video because I think it's going to be kind of cool. We're changing up the front end look of the Mustang. Again, we got another mod coming for it. Actually, it's already here, but I was waiting on a few things. If you guys see, take a look over here. I had to hang it up because I'm running out of garage room. So you guys let me know what you guys think that is, but it's going on the front of the car. Looks like that. I'm sure you guys can put it together. And if you guys need more of a hint, I have a rolled curb driveway, which really kind of sucks. So these are driveway ramps. So I had to get some of these ramps. I gotta put them at the end of the driveway because with that mod there, we're probably gonna scrape. So anyways, that's coming in a future video. I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on that. Also, I wanted to remind you guys of the giveaway we have going on the channel. I am giving away a $100 gift card to either CJ Pony Parts, Amazon, or American Muscle once we reach 2,000 subscribers. So far, we're at 1,860, something like that. So we don't have that much more to go, guys, 100 and something more, and we're at 2,000, and I'm picking one subscriber to win. I can't wait, it's gonna be awesome. So I decided to do a few different gift card options because not everyone, you know, has a Mustang, so they might not want the American Muscle or CJ Pony Parts, but I think we can all find something on Amazon we like. So all you have to do to get in on that is be subscribed. So if you've been watching my videos and you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will go through the list, pick a subscriber randomly to win this at 2,000 subscribers. So stay tuned because I'll be announcing that as well shortly, guys. It's coming up. So thanks so much for tuning in again and watching the videos here. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Can't wait for the next one. There's always more coming, guys. So you guys have a great day. If you like the video, make sure to like it, and I'll catch you in the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye.